In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of ClickUp account. If you're wrapping up for the day, switching to another account, or using a shared device, knowing exactly where the logout option lives will help you keep your information secure and avoid any confusion the next time you sign in. Start by opening ClickUp. You can use a web browser by going to the ClickUp website, or launch the desktop or mobile app if that's what you prefer. Once ClickUp is open and you're on your workspace, we're ready to locate the sign-out controls. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, which usually appears as your photo or your initials inside a small circle. That icon is your account menu. Click it to open a drop-down panel. This menu is where ClickUp collects account-related options like your profile, workspace switching, notifications, themes, and more. If you're on a smaller screen or zoomed in, this panel might be taller than your window, so don't worry if you don't see everything at once. With the account menu open, scroll within that panel. You're looking for the logout option near the bottom. The list can include several sections, so keep scrolling until you reach the end. If you're on mobile, the same idea applies. Open your profile or menu at the top right and then scroll through the options until you see Logout. This step simply reveals the Sign Out button that's tucked beneath the other settings. When you see Logout, click it. ClickUp will immediately sign you out and take you back to the login screen. If you had multiple ClickUp tabs open, they'll prompt for authentication again after a refresh. This confirms you're fully signed out. The next time you return, you can log back in with your usual method, whether that's your email and password or your organization's single sign-on. If your browser was set to remember your session, you may still see your email ready to go on the login page, but you won't be signed in until you authenticate. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Logging out from this menu is the safest way to ensure your session ends, especially on shared or public computers. If you regularly switch between workspaces or accounts, this clean sign-out helps avoid mixing notifications or permissions. And if you don't see the logout option right away, make sure you're scrolling the menu itself, not the page behind it. That's all there is to it. Open ClickUp, open your profile menu at the top right, scroll to the bottom of that menu, and select Log Out. You're signed out, and your data stays protected.